All right, who do we have here today?
I'm Scott.
What are we doing?
We're going skydiving.
Jumping out of the planes with strangers today?
Yep.
Yeah.
You trust this guy to throw you out? Yeah, I don't know either. You trust me to throw you out?
I trust you.
You are crazy. Whose idea was this?
Her idea.
Your fault if this goes wrong. Are we celebrating anything today?
Her birthday.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
I think I ate your last chocolate. Sorry.
That's okay.
For me, it's the same every time. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a sky to have some fun. High five. High five. One more time. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Woo! Here we go, guys. You ready? Let's get in, get up, get out, rock a skydive, go have some fun. High five. High five. High five. Oh yeah! Here we go. We lived! I'll tell you when to get your feet up for landing. Sounds good. That was a good time. Woo! We made it.
We did. Hell yeah.
Survive. Reserve parachute ride. Yeah. You have fun?
Yeah, it was a really good time.
Are you going to do that again?
I'll definitely be doing this again.
You did great, man.
Thank you.